this 1080p projector from XGODY is really good. This is the Gimbal series, and this thing is phenomenal. Picture quality looks super sharp, even at a good distance. I mean, we're getting like a good 120-inch screen here, and it looks perfect. It has autofocus, auto keystoning, and it even detects like your screen and will size up to that. So if like you move it off a little bit, see how it changes, and like we'll move it back to it, it'll actually detect the screen and it will try to resize it that way. So perfect. And the other thing about it is you can like move, if you want to like go up to your ceiling, you can just easily lift it up. And now it's going straight up top on the ceiling. So if you wanted to lay down and watch movies, that's a great way to do it. So really good quality build. Has an excellent stand on it for moving it, and just looks really good. I'm blown away by how good the quality is. You do have HDMI in the back, USB for if you want to put any storage drives on there to get movies that way. It does have a headphone out to listen with headphones or connect it to speakers, or you can connect it via Bluetooth. It does a lot. You get all the apps that you want there, stream anything, and download more at the Play Store. It uses Whale OS, and again, really great quality. Very quiet fan as well. It gives you HDMI cable, and yeah, highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.